See, money got personality, nephew. It's got energy. Some of y'all treat money like a one-night stand. You happy when it's there, but you don't respect it enough to make it stay. You chase it, you beg for it. Then when it finally show up, you treat it like it owe you something. Money don't stay where it feel disrespected. It don't sit still where there's chaos. That's why it keep leaving your account the same day it show up. You ever notice that? You get paid on Friday, and by Sunday night, it's like your direct deposit got raptured. You blaming bills, blaming taxes, blaming life, but the truth is, your budget got holes in it big enough to fit a blessing through. That ain't bad luck, that's bad stewardship. Money only listens to management, and baby, you've been speaking gibberish. Let me help you understand something. Money ain't paper, it's principle. It's a system of trust, value on top of value, belief stacked on belief. That little piece of paper in your wallet, it only works because somebody else believes it does. That's the first rule of wealth. Money follows belief. So if you believe you're always broke, that's the only conversation your wallet ever gonna hear. You gotta shift your mindset from lack to leadership. Every dollar you get is a little employee. You the boss, but you keep letting your workers wander off. That's why your money tired, man. It's been freelancing with no direction. Start telling it what to do. Pay yourself first. Stack that emergency fund. Let the extra serve your purpose. Money is like a mirror. It reflects your habits, not your hopes. Stop saying I'm broke. Start saying I'm learning how to manage better. One attracts pity, the other attracts progress. See, money ain't running from you because it don't like you. It's running because it don't trust you yet. You ever lend somebody $20 and they still ain't paid you back from last year? Now every time they call, you just let it ring. That's how money feel about you. You keep asking for it, but you don't keep your word. You say you gonna save, then DoorDash call your name. You say you gonna build credit, but you keep swiping like the limits of suggestion. You tell yourself, next month I'ma start budgeting, but next month come and go, and you still in the same dance with them same dollars. Money only stays where it feels safe. Safety means structure, not fancy, just functional. A budget, a plan, a purpose. You don't need a new job. You need a new system. Get your mind right, your priorities right, your plan right. Then your pockets will follow. 'Cause discipline, that's the new rich. Now here's the good news, nephew. Money don't hold grudges. It'll come back the moment you get serious. The same energy you use to waste it, you can use to welcome it. Start tracking every dollar. Start looking at your money like a relationship. You can't keep saying I love you and then treat it reckless. Money responds to management, not emotion. When you start telling your money, hey, I got purpose now, it'll start showing up like, 8, he finally ready to handle me. You start saving 10% before you spend a dime. Watch how fast your bank account start respecting you. Build structure, then add faith. Don't just pray for overflow. Prepare for it. 'Cause faith ain't magic, it's management. When your habits match your hopes, that's when the blessings stop bouncing back. You ain't cursed, you just been unprepared. But preparation, that's the real prosperity. And I'm not Ted, but thank you for coming to my talk, money talk that is.